Hey, Spyder fans, this is JW. Just about to do a little work on the transformer. Spyder friends, this is JW. Glad to be back. And we're going to talk about a little air time because I have to put some air in the front tires of my Spyder. I like mine about 20, 21. Some people like them higher. Some people like them a little bit lower. What is the best air pressure for your Spyder? I have a 2012 RT and I like it at that. And plus I have ride on in my tires. I will probably change that out in a little while. What is your take on ride on? Tell me a little bit about it, or if you use it. Next week, one of our Spyder friends, Sam, is going to help me get this up to extreme propulsion up in Cartersville so I can get a full tune-up so I can get ready to ride again. As you know, I had open heart surgery and I still carry an LVAD, and I want to let everyone know who has a disability, if you can walk and still maneuver, and God has blessed you to do that, you can ride. If you want to have fun, hop on the Spyder. All right, this is JW. I got to put some air in this tire. And remember, I keep mine at 20. I don't know what you keep yours on. I have ride on in my tire. Ask me some questions. I'll be happy to answer them. I'll talk to you soon.
JW's Motovlogs. Ride safe, ride strong.